Okay, Garmin. Say
What are you doing? Are you stupid? Are you retarded? Why are you driving like that? Why are you driving like that?
Open up and let it out and count on me. Count on me. For doing my share. Count on me. You know that I care. Count on me. I'll be there. Count on me. Count on me. When I'm alone here. Count on me. When there's no one else here. Count on me. I'll be right here. Count on me.
And it's just a fantastic further accelerant to our innovation roadmap. So far, we feel we have so much to build and so much opportunity that we're actually increasing engineering headcount modestly.
Shoulder ahead.
Thank you, sir.
Bro, you're not about to get in front of me. You idiot.
Legend and Nick Jonas, among others. So now he's, kind of focusing more on his stuff as an artist, and he's going to be joining me on Sunday Mimosa tomorrow.
Oh, that is brilliant. They... I'm not buying her waffle because she doesn't need them.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover